Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video on Doba. So first off guys, what you want to do is click on register now. So here guys, we'll be asked to enter our login email, password, first name, last name, and phone number. So for me it will be easier to register with Google, so I'll just do that. Click on register with Google. And then just wait for a few seconds. So here guys, now we're in. Now we have to fill out this. Okay, just wait a second. Okay, now I have to enter my phone number and send the verification code. Now I'm just going to #650 340. So here's the code. Now I have to enter with what e-commerce are we running with, how big is our business, what's intended, let's say building a health and automotive, let's say within 1 year, and once to people, we can submit it, and here it is. So now for a free trial, we can use it for 14 days and we can get all these perks, and I'll show you the other plans after a little bit. So here we are in the site. We can see that there's a help center here. We can see my Doba, product updates, orders, we can see everything. But now we can see what is trending, like high profit things, top sellers things, blowout sale, featured categories, premium suppliers, like selected for you. There's everything guys. We can see what is the top selling thing at the moment, like this Vivo G920 racing steering wheel stand. It's only for $68, but now we can see that the retail pricing is $102. So basically you're getting like $30 in profit if you are getting to sell this thing. So it's really high in return value, like this bathroom rug cute daisy. We can see that it's again $11.39. It's even on sale, but it's $13.99. So again you're getting like $2 of profit. We can see what's top store sellers, what is the best selling in Shopify, on eBay. Like on eBay is the best selling thing is barbell and dumbbell set, 66.1 pounds. It's for you can buy it for $176.24, and the retail price is $239.69. And again you're getting really much for the amount you've spent. So again you get the return value, and we can also see the blowout sale, the premium suppliers, and all products. We also have the option to share and earn. When you share the site, you get earning points, and with these earning points you can buy things. So we can make a curate list, like we can see that here in my Doba there's welcome to Doba tutorial. We are with the startup free trial. We can see our benefits. We can pay now. We see that we don't have any store orders, any unread messages, and 0 product updates. So first off, we have to find the product. After that, we add the products to our inventory list. After that, connect the store to Doba, then set store rules, and after that, list or connect a product of your store. And guys, it's simple as that. If you connect a store, you get an extra reward, cash coupon up to $50. We can see our products, inventory list, saved searches, listings, connection, download center, my orders, stores, wallet, pricing plan. So now guys, let me show you the pricing plans. This is not appealing visually. Let me show you in another way. Okay, Doba pricing. So here is the pricing plans. Like right now there's a free trial that we're using right now. It gives us these perks, like order syncing. We don't have that. Inventory syncing, we also don't have that. Storefront integrations, we don't have that. But with the startup program, which is $24.99 a month, monthly build, like if you pay annually, you save up, and if you pay also quarterly, you also get like a discount. But let's look at the monthly billing plans, and the startup program is for $24.99 a month, and it gets us these perks. Like if the free trial has 30 inventory limit lists, this plan has 60. Monthly products export count, we have 30. New product alerts, we have 2 saved searches and 5 saved supplies. It gives us these, like if in the free plan we don't have anything. Like here we mostly have everything given to us, and with every upgrade, like from startup to business, you get a major update in the store, in the storage, like in the limit list is a lot larger now, and everything gets much easier for you guys to dropship and wholesale. And that was it for the video, guys. I hope that I've helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.